Hi guys, Don Schwenecker here with your vlog for this Tuesday, and we've got a couple different things happening in the atmosphere. First, let's talk about what's happening at the surface. We'll go to our maps, show you what's going on. Here is Illinois, and here's an area of low pressure. Still centered right now over Nebraska and Kansas, and we're going to advance it through the next couple of days. You can see, watch what happens to this low. Usually these lows just take off and go out. Not this guy. By tomorrow morning, it's over Iowa. It's still there. And what this means is there's counterclockwise rotation around it, so it's grabbing hold of all this moist air down around the Gulf of Mexico, and it's pulling it up right along these isobars. These lines of barometric pressure, they're almost like a pipeline, pulling that moisture right into Chicago, and that's going to keep the rain on us. So that's tomorrow. We go into tomorrow late day. That low still stuck over Iowa. We're seeing another low start to develop down here around Oklahoma and North Texas. And then finally, by tomorrow night, that low starts to pull up. This one starts to dissipate. And as this guy comes up, it's going to mean another round of rain for late week. So we are stuck in the rain for a while. I thought I'd show this to you. This is an upper level model. Here's Illinois, right there. And so we're kind of looking in the middle part of the atmosphere. And, we're not going to go through everything on here, but basically this circle right there is an area of low pressure. That's an upper level storm. So that storm just stays over us. Notice that circle rotates. This is looking out over 160 hours. And as long as that circle's above or near Illinois, it's going to keep storms coming at us. It's going to keep the moisture on us, and it's going to keep the chance of shower activity right through the weekend. Now, Mary Kay Kleiss made this great graphic. The big thing we're watching for is a flood threat because we've got all these storms coming in from the south, all this moisture coming in from the south. We got snow melt well across Iowa, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. And as this rain melts that snow, it could mean a flood threat for rivers through this area. So it's certainly something we'll be keeping an eye on over the next several days as well. No flooding to tell you about yet, but the potential is there with lots of rain and the melting snow. That's going to do it for our vlog today. Remember, if you've got questions, you can always put them on our website, cbs2chicago.com. You can email them to me here in the station, and you can check out the vlog every time it's updated right on the CBS2 Weather blog.